They following me. Everywhere I go, temptation is very close. Everywhere I go, people stop and say hello. Everywhere I go, everywhere I go, everywhere I go. We give it to y'all in doses. That's why we got bigger, cause some of y'all is hopeless. She like the Bentley, give me the range. She leaves a tip, give me my change. Influenced by the littlest things. You might catch me speeding in the fast lane, but the heart and soul remains. How could y'all role model athletes put steroids in your veins? You don't even know how many lives you changed. Don't get it twisted, a drug is a drug and that will always remain. Everywhere I go, people stop and say hello. Everywhere I go, everywhere I go, everywhere I go, everywhere I go. They selling us dope like it's hope. How did the drugs get into the community? Are they still blaming you and me? Reality sets in, put your hands down, no bets in, I'm Trump type. And no more stressing, they finally let the best in. And I ain't taking nothing for granted. And I ain't taking nothing, I'm handed. So don't waste your time lying to me, cause I see through all y'all, it's like television. Everywhere